Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Are you tired of struggling with outdated installation methods for piston rings? Look no further. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of piston ring compressors, your new best friend in the garage. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to precision with this essential tool. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY hobbyist, this compressor will revolutionize your engine rebuilds and save you both time and money. Stick around as we unveil the top models on the market and show you why investing in a quality piston ring compressor is a game changer. Let's get started. Number 5. Moker Piston Compressor Tool. This essential kit is perfect for experienced mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, designed to make installing and removing piston rings simple and effortless. With universal compatibility, it is able to fit all types of vehicles. Adjustable band sizes, from 2 1/8 inches to 7 inches, 53 millimeters to 175 millimeters, ensure a perfect fit with positive compression, accompanied by a friction brake for precise control during operation. Made from durable, high-strength spring steel, this tool features a corrosion-resistant coating, making it resistant to wear. With this kit, installation frustrations are a thing of the past, allowing you to install piston rings up to 6.4 millimeters, 1/4, without torque. The complete kit includes piston ring pliers, piston ring compressor and wrench, giving you everything you need to tackle your automotive jobs efficiently. Bring home the Moker Piston Ring Compressor tool today and make your engine repair a breeze. Number 4. The TcJ-Chen 3-inch car engine piston ring compressor tool and piston ring is your ideal solution. Designed to fit piston rings up to 6.4 millimeters, 1/4 inch, this tool eliminates common twisting issues encountered during installation. Made of durable materials, carbon steel for the caliper and solid spring steel for the compressor, it promises long-term performance and reliability. With an adjustable range from 21/8 to 7, 53 millimeters to 175 millimeters, you can handle different engine sizes with ease. Plus, its user-friendly design makes the piston ring disassembly process smooth and safe, ensuring high-quality results. Perfect for professional installation, this tool is essential for any mechanic looking to simplify their job with precision and confidence. Don't settle for less when it comes to piston ring installation. Choose the TcJ-Chen tool for a hassle-free experience. Number 3. MMonDod Car Engine Piston Ring Installer Removal Kit. This powerhouse is designed to make piston installation a breeze for most passenger cars. With a band diameter range of 21/8 to 7, 53 millimeters to 175 millimeters, it accommodates various piston and ring sizes. The included piston installer plier is perfect for common piston and ring diameters, even those with thicknesses ranging from 3/64 inch to 1/4 inch, 1.2 millimeters to 6.4 millimeters. Featuring positive compression and an adjustable friction brake, this kit ensures next-level precision and control during installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this tool is ideal for achieving a seamless piston installation. Take your automotive projects to the next level with the reliability and efficiency of the MMonDod Car Engine Piston Ring Installer Removal Kit, your go-to solution for all your piston ring compressor needs. Number 2. Plum Garden Car Engine Piston Ring Compressor and Piston Ring Pliers, your ideal solution for hassle-free piston ring installation and removal. This exceptional tool is designed to install and remove piston rings without any twisting, accommodating sizes up to 6.4 millimeters, 1/4 inch. Its adjustable range from 21/8 to 7, 53 millimeters to 175 millimeters, allows for a perfect fit, and the spring mechanism provides ultimate control for precise adjustments. Made of carbon nickel-plated steel, it offers exceptional corrosion resistance that ensures comfortable handling thanks to vinyl. With its positive locking action, the Plum Garden tool guarantees a secure fit on the piston every time, making the process of removing piston rings simple, safe, and reliable. Whether you are a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this piston compressor is essential for effective engine maintenance. Upgrade your toolbox and experience the convenience of the Prepma Garden compressor today. Number 1. Powerbuilt Piston Ring Compressor. Specifically designed for pistons ranging from 2 inches to 5 inches in diameter, this compressor makes compressing rings effortless and efficient. Its innovative ratcheting lock mechanism, combined with a fingertip release lever, ensures a secure fit while allowing for smooth operation. Crafted from high-quality materials, this compressor promises durability and longevity, making it a reliable addition to your toolkit. The specially designed nibs on the bottom of the compressor prevent any sliding into the cylinder, ensuring precision every time. Plus, with a lifetime warranty, you can trust the Powerbuilt piston ring compressor to deliver exceptional performance for all your piston ring needs. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is an indispensable ally in your pursuit of automotive excellence. In conclusion, a piston ring compressor is an essential tool for any engine rebuild, ensuring a smooth and efficient installation of piston rings. Proper usage not only saves time but also protects your engine from damage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video with fellow car enthusiasts to spread the knowledge.